If your Virgin Hub 5 or 5X is acting unstable, slow speeds, drop connections, or devices refusing to connect, a hard reset can bring everything back to a clean starting point. Routers store a lot of network data over time, and when that gets corrupted or misconfigured, performance starts breaking down. You can reboot it all day, but if the settings themselves are the issue, nothing changes. A hard reset wipes the configuration completely and restores factory defaults, letting the hub rebuild its connection from scratch. Just remember, this will erase custom things, so you'll need to set them again afterward. Let's go step by step and reset it properly. So try these. Make sure the hub is powered on and fully running. 2. Locate the reset pinhole on the back of the router. 3. Insert a pin or paper clip into the reset hole. 4. Press and hold the button inside for several seconds. 5. Watch for the lights to flash indicating reset has started. 6. Release and wait for the hub to reboot completely.